Without a doubt, the best dashcams are designed to offer security and protection for the vehicle. Basically, a dash camera is something like having a CCTV for the car. Moreover, the dash camera provides a range of prices and types, including additional features and safety. It doesn't only capture the video, as there are more enhanced features. You will have dash cams installed using hidden wirings so they can fit perfectly between vehicles. You will see that the dash cams record video whenever they detect a collision. With the advanced dash cams, you will get high-grade features such as energy response system and driving assistance. Therefore, getting the best one is no more than a treat for users. After taking expert advice and after hours of research, we have listed 5 best dashcams to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. Moreover, all these models are a perfect blend of durability and reliability combined. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's dive in to see what our exclusive picks have to offer. Number 5. Nextbase 422GW. Getting the best dash cam nowadays is no more than a treat for users. The Nextbase dash cam is the one that will never disappoint you. It is specially designed for vehicles by keeping all the standards in mind. Let's get right into the details. The dual quad high-grade loop recording offers 2080 by 3060 degrees, providing a glass f1.6 lens. The high-grade resolution adds more to the versatility. The 2.5-inch IPS touchscreen provides an upgraded solution with clarity to record, location, and speed all around. Besides this, the dashcam comes with Alexa built-in feature, making it more worth considering. You can control it and ask to place calls or play music, hear other news by finding parking and getting directions, and control smartphone devices. There is a wide range of benefits. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and automatic Wi-Fi linkage, allowing you to share footage efficiently. The SOS emergency response is designed to alert emergency services in case of an accident. It offers all-around high-grade protection as the rear camera is incorporated on the back window for efficient recordings. That's a significantly valuable advantage to the user. Number 4. APEMAN C450. When it comes to exceptional portability and lightweight, there is nothing better than APEMAN, and it will not disappoint you in any manner. It has a smooth design and versatile enough to provide an everlasting experience to the user. Let's discuss the features in detail. The high-grade resolution of the 1080p HD dashcam, the 3-inch LCD screen and lens provides more explicit images and videos, making it a great deal for users. There is a super wide angle enriched inside the dashcam. This 170 degrees angle reduces the multiple blind spots while capturing the details. Sounds fantastic, right? The heavy-duty G sensor is durable to detect collision and locks the video, so it doesn't get overridden. Therefore, it is indeed beneficial as accident scenes can be restored. That's a significantly valuable advantage to the driver. It provides decent clarity even at night. The decent f1.8 large aperture reduces the requirement of any auxiliary light even when there is low light. This APEMAN C450 dashcam provides color-precise and accurate images. The parking monitor, motion detecting, and loop recording features will help you satisfy everyday driving needs. The simple installation makes it highly user-friendly. Number 3. BlackVue DR900X. Specially designed for an outdoor enthusiast, the BlackVue dashcams are among the top-rated cams available on the market. Moreover, there is no compromise seen on their quality and performance. It doesn't make your pocket go deep down without compromising the design. Let's see what makes this dashcam unique. With the high-quality 8-megapixel sensor and 4K ultra-high resolution, this dashcam is no longer an exception. The most demanding construction makes the dashcam a top considering choice with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and a view angle of 162 degrees. Sounds impressive, right? The most efficient video coding comes with an excellent looking 4K videos. It offers an Ultra HD option to help you get the maximum out of it. It is highly compatible as you can connect with the optional CM100 LTE to give a decent 4G LTE connection. All you require is a nano SIM card. It will connect using the USB port. This dashcam can be hardwired to the fuse panel whenever you need parking mode. Therefore, you will not need optional accessories. If the vehicle ignition is off, it automatically gets switched to parking mode. You can set the voltage cutoff time accordingly. You have access to live view and notifications to the phone. It allows you to back up videos remotely and play the videos from wherever you want, whether from the cloud or dashcam's memory. Number 2. Rove R2-4K. If you are looking for the best dashcam that will offer ultra high performance, then this Rove R2 dashcam is perfect. Although it seems like a difficult task to incorporate a dashcam in your vehicle and it requires more precision, Rove has made it more accessible. Let's take a closer look. Have you seen the 4K high-grade and fully HD recordings provided by this dashcam? It offers you a resolution of almost 2160p, making it an excellent detail for user. The quality and clarity add more to the design and functionality. The Super Night Vision technology provides more transparent images even in low light. The built-in Wi-Fi feature in the Rove app helps you manage all the recordings on your smartphone. It assists you in downloading the 4K videos and shares them effectively on social media. The quality GPS is beneficial to record the location and speed. You can also check the driving route tracker using the app and Wi-Fi. It comes with many features combined to provide you the most versatile experience. The cam features f1.8 apertures with motion detection and multiple parking modes. The G sensor, emergency video lock, slow motion videos, and incorporation of micro SD card make it more user-friendly. With a 1-year limited warranty and built-in high quality, it deserves to be in our top picks. Number 1. Garmin Dashcam Mini. Here we go with our top pick. Garmin is indeed one of the best buys with its brightest and high resolution when it comes to the most accurate dashcam. When compared to its competitors, which are more costly than Garmin, this dashcam stands on top due to its versatility. Let's get into the details. This incredibly portable dashcam is durable to record the incidents automatically. Have you seen the car key sized operation making it unnoticed on the windshield? That's exactly true. Moreover, the quality 140-degree angle lens is durable to capture 1080p HD footage. It needs an 8GB quality micro SD card that automatically saves and records the video, making it exceptional. Furthermore, the built-in connectivity for Wi-Fi is beneficial to upload all the footage using your smartphone. It offers quality features to enhance your driving experience. Remarkably, the dashcam allows you to play back videos and control the camera on the smartphone using the driver app. You can read the user manual and follow all the details to enjoy recording the entire great outdoors. Sounds impressive, right? These features make this a top choice for all users. Do you desire to get the best dashcam? Whether you want to drive a car or a van and even a truck, you can find the right cam for every kind of motorist, no doubt. Whatever you want to use, you will get the best dashcam in this guide. These dashcams are designed to mount on your windscreen as they are durable to monitor safer. Moreover, it captures everything happening while you are driving. Although it provides exceptional peace of mind, it also reduces insurance premiums. You can now capture the unexpected moments, making the best material for your YouTube channel. Many dashcams capture pictures in full HD, and some capture in 4K, and that's the best, no doubt. Well, the resolution is essential to some people, but not essential to everyone. Therefore, it is pretty vital to get the best model available on the market. Have you seen the everlasting quality provided by Garmin? What about the decent design offered by APEMAN? There is nothing better than Nextbase, allowing you to get the most desired experience. All models are exceptional and feature decent built-in quality to help you get the one that suits you perfectly. Isn't it hard to choose the best dashcam? Well, that's true. It is quite challenging. But wait, there are various dashcams available on the market, each claiming to be the best one. How will you make the right decision? Choose wisely by considering all your requirements in mind. It will help you get what you want. Let us know in the comments which model you chose and why. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.